So now I start the presentation. Okay, I am start the explanation. So this is the sample exam sheet, the midterm exam sheet. You already familiar with it. I upload to you also the exam sheet, the clean exam sheet, and also the exam sheet with the answer, with solution on them. Did everybody see the answer sheet for the midterm exam? Did everyone see the solution, the exam sheet, the midterm exam sheet with solution? Okay, so did everybody download from Telegram the exam sheet with a solution on them? This did everybody see that? Okay, so again, this is the final session before the midterm exam. So please be careful for those not seeing the material or not attended the session last last session last class. Okay, so this is the final time, the final session for you before the midterm exam begin on 30th September 2020. Mm. Okay, so very good if uh, you got to see the solution of the midterm exam sheet paper. They are the same. I told you already the format the same. First, exercise number 1 is define equation of the line f1x and B, calculate the coordinate of the midpoint. It can be midpoint AB, midpoint AC, or midpoint BC. So here we have so here we have so we have three lines here, but the most important line is the solid line, the black line that you have to calculate the equation, the line equation of this black line. So the most important thing, and then the midpoint can be MA, between A or B, M MAC, between A and C, or MBC, between B and C. So it depends. So we have different exercise. So you have to look at the paper and do the solve the problem accordingly. Okay. um all the the these there will be 11 version of this midterm exam paper. There will be 11 version. So if there are 30 students, then it must be uh, 30 divided by 11, maybe three person per version. So person number one, number two, number three do the exercise, the version, the midterm exam, this midterm exam version 1, and person number 4, 5, 6 will do the exercise for the midterm exam version 2, etc. There will be 11 version. So different student may have different version of the exam. So I will assign the exam paper according to the name list, the student list. Okay. So you have 30 students. We have 30 students. So 1, 2, 3, one version, 4, 5, 6. Student number 4, 5, 6. Second version, like that. Okay. It means that the the line there are three lines on the graph, and the midpoint the same. Similarly, it's mean not the same, it's mean like the joke, like a joke, same but different. Similar in the form, the format is the same. The format is the same. That is, we have three line, we have coordinate, Cartesian coordinate system, we have point, 3 point, and midpoint, but they are all different. So the number A, B, C will be different, the point. And then exercise number two, simplifying the expression. We have two expressions for you to simplify. We have two expressions. Each expression, this is one and two. And then how to solve this, I already explained in the last session. And you can also see the example how to solve this on the uh, uh, exam sheet with solution. Okay. And for exercise number three, also you see how it is solved on the exam paper with solution, and also during the previous session you already see how to solve it. It means that we have to translate what it was said here into algebraic formula. Is everybody clear about this? We have to translate into algebraic expression using using the number, the letter, the symbol. That is all the asset that we have in algebra. And please also verify that when you translate it, it is correctly translated. Okay. After that, when everything is correctly translated, you can start to solve the problem. So, okay. Where is it? Okay. And exercise number 4 is easy. It's just for you to remember how the relationship between two numbers, which one is bigger, which one is smaller. Okay. Then exercise number 5 is a bit tricky. You have to look carefully into the explanation, the previous slide presentation. I hope this one may be tricky, but if you see the presentation I made last session, and you capture what is the important thing, I think it's not difficult for you to answer this question. What we need to know is that when we have expression like this, the number one, the e1 expression number one, we have radical term. We have expression a monomial. We have a monomial. Big, a little bigger. We have a monomial here. We have a monomial with the radical expression square root of 3xy square. So this radical expression means that the monomial is the expression, the term is not a monomial. មានន័យថាយើងមើលនៅក្នុងកន្សោមបច្ចេកទេស E1 នេះយើងមានតួយើងមានតួយើងមានផ្នែកដែលជា radical ដែលជាកន្សោម radical អញ្ចឹងកាលណា radical មានឫសអញ្ចឹងគឺអត់អាចជាឯកធាតុទេ it's not a monomial, it's rational expression គឺជាកន្សោម radical អញ្ចឹងដោយសារ we already said that inside our expression, if any expression not belonging to monomial, then the whole expression here on the left here, E1 cannot be polynomial. If all of them are monomial, then E1 can be polynomial. បើសិនបើនៅខាងស្ដាំដៃយើងនេះមានមួយណាមិនមែនជាឯកធាតុគឺអាខាងឆ្វេងដៃយើងកន្សោមពីគណិត E1 យើងមិនអាចជាពហុធាតុបានទេវាជាពហុធាតុបានលើកលែងតែទាំងអស់គ្នានេះនៅខាងឆ្វេងនៅខាងស្ដាំដៃនេះជាឯកធាតុតែអាមួយនេះ radical នេះមិនមែនជាឯកធាតុទេ so everybody is clear now. 1 2 the same expression number 2 here on the left here, E2, and then on the right we have 3 expression, 3 term, x square plus 2y over x plus 1. x square is a monomial because it's x and the index power is 2, it's belong to n, and then 1 here it means some variable, some unknown variable, power 0, so it's 1 or 2 or 3. Okay, but here the middle here we have x power -1 because x is below is is in the denominator, so it's x minus 1. So if x minus 1 minus 1 doesn't belong to n, so it's a fraction. It means fraction when the term is a fraction or the term is a radical, so the term cannot be a monomial, and the whole thing cannot be polynomial. Okay. Okay. Và nhưng yeah. Okay. So នៅពេលដែលយើងមើលឃើញ expression របស់យើងណាមួយ radical ឬក៏ជាប្រភាគអញ្ចឹងគឺ expression យើងខាងឆ្វេងដៃយើងនេះមិនមែនជា polynomial ទេពីព្រោះវាមានជា fractional expression like 2y over x fractional expression ប្រភាគ and then radical expression square root of 2 of 3xy square. So no, not polynomial, not polynomial. And the most important thing is when it is a function. Normally when we have expression, the whole expression, for example the 2x plus 2, this is an expression, and the expression is a polynomial, then it is a function. But sometimes we have to look into what I told you here is somewhere here. I told you somewhere here. Okay, here maybe. Where is that? Here. This one. I show you already in last presentation, last class session. It's like this. When we have expression, okay, here the the expression y equal fx equal the term on the right, we can have x or some other variable z or something, but the most important thing is that when we have radical term, so we must be careful. When we have radical term, the radical term is m, the the root, the roots, the m root, m is odd, and okay, this one again, this one must be subscript. Okay, and x to the n power here, x to the power n to the n power, x is even, then this one is a function. Beside that, not a function. យើងជាទូទៅកាលណាកន្សោមរបស់យើងពេជ្រគណិតយើងជាពហុធាកន្សោមនៅខាងស្ដាំដៃនេះកន្សោមនៅខាងស្ដាំដៃនេះជាពហុធាគឺexpression ដែលមាន x នៅខាងស្ដាំដៃនេះជាពហុធាអានឹងអាខាងឆ្វេងដៃ y នេះជាអនុគមប៉ុន្តែបើសិនជានៅខាងឆ្វេងដៃ sorry this one ប៉ុន្តែបើសិនបើនៅ ខាងស្ដាំដៃរបស់យើងនេះ x term x នេះជា fraction ឬក៏ជា radical អានឹងយើងត្រូវប្រយ័ត្នប្រយែងប៉ុន្តែយើងនិយាយហើយថា fraction អាចវាជាអនុគមដែរ fraction ជាអនុគមដែរលើកលែងតែ radical មួយដែលយើងត្រូវប្រយ័ត្នលើកលែងតែ radical មួយដែលយើងត្រូវប្រយ័ត្នZoom disconnect ហើយចប់ផុតម៉ោងដូច្នេះសូមអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាតាមដាន presentation របស់លោកគ្រូនៅតាម Facebook ឬក៏ YouTube since Zoom ended so please continue with watching the presentation with Facebook or YouTube so the most important thing is radical term អញ្ចឹងអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នានៅក្នុងលំហាត់របស់អ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាហ្នឹងកាលណាអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាឃើញកាលណាអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាឃើញ no កាលណាអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាឃើញexpression នៅខាងស្ដាំដៃនេះនៃអនុគម f នេះ expression នៅខាងស្ដាំដៃនេះមាន radical អានឹងយើងត្រូវប្រុងប្រយ័ត្នមាន radical square root cubic root root ផ្សេងហ្នឹងឬផ្សេងនេះសញ្ញាឬផ្សេងនេះឬផ្សេងកាលណាឬទី m ហ្នឹងសេះអានឹងអូខេហើយខាងក្នុងនេះខាងក្នុង expression នៅខាងក្នុងនេះខាងក្នុងក្រោម root ហ្នឹងវាជាគូទាំងអស់អាហ្នឹងអូខេគឺរបស់យើងខាងស្ដាំដៃហ្នឹងជាអនុគមបានហើយដូច expression ទី2នេះ polynomial នេះដែលយើងថាមិនមែនជា polynomial ទី2នេះដែលយើងនៅបន្ទាត់ទី3នេះតើ e2 expression e2 នេះជា polynomial មិនមែនជា polynomial ទេ no ប៉ុន្តែបើសិនគេសួរថាវាជា function វាជា function ពីព្រោះយើងអត់មាន radical term ទេហើយនៅពេលដែលយើងឃើញ radical term ក៏យើងត្រូវគិតទៅដល់ប្រភេទនៃរឹសទីប្រមាណដែរនោះ m រឹសទីប្រមាណហើយនឹង n នៅខាងក្នុងនេះស្វ័យគុណនៅក្នុងគឺស្មុគស្មាញតែកន្លែង radical ហ្នឹងទេក្រៅពីហ្នឹងទោះបីវាមិនមែនជា polynomial not a polynomial but it is a function អញ្ចឹងបើសិនជាគេសរសេរexpression ទី2នេះ expression ទី2នេះpolynomial នេះគេដាក់នៅខាងក្រោមវិញ f1x equal expression ទី2នេះគឺត្រូវឆ្លើយថា function yes សង្កត់យល់នៅកន្លែងហ្នឹង everybody is clear about this the most important thing to take care to be cautious is only when you see radical expression នៅពេលដែលយើងប្រុងប្រយ័ត្នហ្នឹងនៅពេលគេសួរជា function ហ្នឹងនៅពេលណាដែលគ្រាន់តែវាជា radical ទេក៏អត់មាន radical ទេអូខេហើយរបស់យើងហ្នឹងគឺវាជា function ទាំងអស់ប៉ុន្តែបើគេសិនតែមាន radical ហ្នឹង we have to take care យើងត្រូវតែយកចិត្តទុកដាក់មើលរឹសទីប្រមាណ m នៅខាងក្រៅនេះ root នេះរឹសទីប្រមាណហើយខាងក្នុងនោះស្វ័យគុណវាគូអត់អូខេបើស្វ័យគុណនៅខាងក្នុងគូអូខេទៅហើយអានឹងអាចជា function ហើយបើសិនជារឹសទីនៅខាងក្រៅនេះរឹសទី3ទី6សេះលេខសេះនៅខាងក្រៅរឹសទី3រឹសទី5រឹសទីស្អីដែលលេខសេះហ្នឹងគឺអាចហើយអញ្ចឹងគឺយើងប្រុងប្រយ័ត្នទៅពីនឹងនេះប៉ុន្តែលោកគ្រូអត់ឲ្យដាក់លេខអត់ឲ្យច្រើនទេងាយទេអូខេប៉ុន្តែគ្រាន់តែយើងចាំតែប៉ុណ្្នឹងអូខេ I will not give you difficult expression. Okay, so I hope everybody understand and can do all these. And then another thing I want you to know is that during the exam, please do not commit these mistakes. Okay, no, again, do not commit these mistakes. ខ្ញុំចង់បញ្ជាក់ថានៅពេលដែលយើងធ្វើលំហាត់ណាដោះស្រាយលំហាត់ណាសូមកុំធ្វើកំហុសដូចអស់នេះកំហុសដូចអស់នេះអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាឃើញកំហុសយ៉ាងម៉េចទេ Does everyone spot the mistakes inside here? You see, number one here, negative 5 plus 5 divided by 2 equal 1. No, it's a mistake. Negative 5 plus 5 is 0. 0 over 2, 0 over 2 is 0. Okay, and then 5 plus 5 over 2, it means 2 times 5. 2 times 5, it means 5 2 times. 5 1 time, 5 2 times. So 2 times 5 divided by 2, it means no, here it's not easy. Yeah, yeah. Here, uh, here it means 2 times 5, it means 10 here. So I have to write this again. Okay. Incorrect. This one incorrect. This one also incorrect. Okay. Okay. It should be like this instead. It should be 2 over 2. Okay. In the meantime ពេលលោកគ្រូកំពុងកែហ្នឹងអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាដឹងថាកន្លែងណាខុសហើយអ្នកគ្នាត្រូវដឹងថាកន្លែងណាខុសហើយណា it's not like this. It must be it must be 10 over 2. It must be 5. Okay. So I hope you can see this one. Okay? Negative 5 plus 5 over 2, it means 0 over 2 equal 0. It's not 1. And here, 5 plus 5 over 2 equal 2 times 5 over 2. It's not 2 over 2 equal 1. It's 5 plus 5 over 2. It's 10 over 2. It's 5. Okay? So, you see the mistake? here. So please do not commit these mistakes. Some cầm thưa cầm học đuổi chẳng. Okay. Here also you do the multiplication. 3 times 3. 3 times 3 it's like this. 3 dot 3 it you write 6. No, it's not 6. 3 times 3 is 9. Okay. It's not addition. It's multiplication. อันนี้ยังกุนแต่ยังเหมือนโบกนะ so why you write 6 so it's not 6 it's 9 នឹងอันนึงសូមឲ្យយកចិត្តទុកដាក់ចឹងដែរ okay and the other thing is if we have uh, negative 1 negative 1 plus b equal no, 3 negative 2a plus b equal 6 minus 5 like this. Then we have to write where's that? Okay, like this. B equal negative 5 plus 2a. Okay, this is good. Not okay, not like this. It's good like this. Okay. Okay. Mistake like here. Dân khơi. Does anyone spot the mistake here? The mistake, the difference is this. Is this. Yeah. You have negative 2a plus b equal negative 5. Then you write. Then later you write this. Imply this. Then b equal negative 5. No. Why you write like this? Negative 5. Okay. It should be like this. negative 2a plus b equal negative 5 imply it means then you rewrite it b equal negative 5 plus 2a. Okay. អ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាឃើញកំហុសរបស់ដែលយើងធ្វើហ៎ឃើញទេវាបាត់ you miss out the 2a, you drop the 2a here, 2a here. Okay. យើងជ្រុះបាត់អា 2a នេះយើងជ្រុះបាត់ 2a នេះ we miss out, we drop the 2a here, see there is no 2a here. If you follow all the presentation, the slide, and you see you took time to read the slide presentation, it means that from here to here it means b here on the left hand side and then negative 5 here. A negative 2a it jump over to the right and then it must be here plus 2a. It's not it jump over here and it disappear. อันนี้คือថាដក 2a នេះវាលោតផ្លោះមកខាងឆ្វេងដៃមកខាងស្ដាំដៃមកវាលោតផ្លោះមកអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាលោតផ្លោះមកដល់កន្លែងនេះជ្រុះបាត់បដ ாய் ទៅវាលោតផ្លោះហ្នឹងវាលោតផ្លោះអត់រួចវាជ្រុះបាត់ទៅណាទៅវាលោតផ្លោះទៅឬវាហើរទៅលើមេឃបាត់ទៅឬក៏វាជ្រុះធ្លាក់ទៅក្នុងជ្រោះទៅក្នុងទឹកណាបាត់ទៅដក 2a នេះវាលោតផ្លោះអាម្លងសញ្ញាស្មើនេះមកស្ដាំដៃនេះឃើញទេ you see negative 2a jump over the equality sign and then disappear in the thin air or disappear down into the river. PA ហ្នឹងសាប់ហើរទៅលើមេឃបាត់ទៅឬក៏ធ្លាក់ទៅក្នុងទឹកបាត់ទៅ no it must be here ឃើញទេបើយើងមានស្អីខ្លះយើងត្រូវតែប្រុងប្រយ័ត្នកុំឲ្យបាត់ហើយសូមយើងធ្វើលេខតទៅទៀតអូខេសូមយកចិត្តទុកដាក់កន្លែងនេះមួយទៀត so I hope everybody understand this the mistake all the mistake នេះខាងលើ mistake the above mistake for all the very good student very good in math they just write carelessly កូនសិស្សដែលបកែគណិតហ្នឹងគាត់សរសេរទៅគាត់អត់យកចិត្តទុកដាក់គាត់អត់យកគាត់ធ្វើប្រហែលគាត់អត់យកចិត្តទុកដាក់គាត់សរសេរទៅឃើញកំហុសខាងលើនេះតែនេះកំហុសខាងក្រោមនេះប្រហែលជាមកពីយើងអត់ចេះហើយបានចឹងសរសេរទៅបាត់លេខបាត់អីរបស់គេបាត់ទ្រព្យសម្បត្តិរបស់គេយើងអត់តែរក្សាទ្រព្យសម្បត្តិរបស់គេ 2a របស់យើងនៅខាងឆ្វេងដៃហ្នឹងចាំមកដល់នេះបាត់ 2a ទៅនៅសល់តែ b equal negative 5 no b equal negative 5 plus 2a negative 2a នេះលូតម្លងមក jump over equality sign នេះ become plus negative become plus okay នេះខាងនេះចាំឯងកន្លែងហ្នឹងចាំឯង okay so please don't do all these mistakes and please learn them okay អញ្ចឹង please take time to do some exercise again and to review all the here อันนี้ដែលគ្រូ that I gave to you all the slide presentation here please look at them and then I hope you will be able to solve to work well on the exam okay អ្នកណាមានសំណួរអីអាចសួរលោកគ្រូបានឥឡូវនេះតើយើងគឺជំវិញលំហាត់ដែលយើងត្រូវធ្វើនៅលើ midterm exam នេះអូខេ anyone have any question about all this you can ask me now before the actual exam day okay មានអ្នកណាចង់សួរអីទេ you can write on Telegram, or you can just talk to me. As you can in Telegram, we also can call, Telegram call. Okay, so do anybody have any question here? Oh my god. When we do the real exam paper, we do like the review exam. I told you I will give you different version of the exam, but the format remain the same. អាទម្រង់กระดาษហ្នឹងវាដូចគ្នាអញ្ចឹងទាំងអស់គ្នាហ្នឹង30នាក់ហ្នឹងទម្រង់กระดาษហ្នឹង exercise ទី1ទី2ទី3ទី4ហ្នឹងដូចគ្នាហ្នឹងទម្រង់ដូចគ្នាទី1គឺ first it's define equation of the line ទី1គឺរកសមីការបន្ទាត់ខ្មៅplease remember only the solid line black solid line រកតែសមីការបន្ទាត់ខ្មៅទេបន្ទាត់សមីការបន្ទាត់ខ្មៅនេះកាត់តាមចំណុច B និង C នៅនេះបើបន្ទាត់ខ្មៅនឹងកាត់តាម AB ទៅសេ AB មកហើយ I hope you got the solution, the paper, the exam paper with solution, so you can see how to solve this. Okay, and I told you also that you can just look at the figure, just take a look, and then you see A equal what, and then B equal what. យើងគ្រាន់តែមើលទៅលើរូបណាប៉ុន្តែ again លោកគ្រូដាក់កលាឲ្យនេះអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាត្រូវបង់លេខនៅលើกระดาษដែលនៅលើរូបដែលអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាបានទៅនេះបង់លេខ positive វិជ្ជមាន1ពី3ទៅខាងស្ដាំដៃ1ពី3ទៅលើហើយនឹង negative 1 negative 2 ចុះក្រោមហើយនឹង negative 1 2 3 4 5 negative អានន់ទៅខាងឆ្វេងដៃហើយនឹងចុះក្រោមអ្នកទាំងបង់លេខទៅហើយអ្នកទាំងឃើញហើយ B នេះគឺកន្លែងដែលបន្ទាត់វាកាត់ជាមួយនឹងអក្សរអញ្ចឹងអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នារាប់ដូចនៅនេះដូចអានេះហ្នឹងគឺ negative 4 ហើយ B វានោះហើយ A មេគុណប្រាប់ទិសចំណោត T ហ្នឹងចំណោត T ចម្រៀល T ហ្នឹង A ហ្នឹងមេគុណប្រាប់ទិស slope ហ្នឹងណាវាស្មើប៉ុន្មានស្មើ1ព្រោះវាកាត់1ក្លាខាងក្រោម1ក្លាឡើងលើ1ក្លាមកក្រោម1ក្លាឡើងលើនៅរូបហ្នឹងឬក៏អ្នកចង់រាប់2ក្លាទៅស្ដាំដៃ2ក្លាទៅលើលោកគ្រូប្រាប់ហើយតែមិនបើយើងរាប់ពីកន្លែងណាមួយរាប់ទៅស្ដាំដៃចេញពីបន្ទាត់ហ្នឹងទៅឧទាហរណ៍ដូចយើងជិះឡានវាងផ្លូវអញ្ចឹងអានេះឧទាហរណ៍អានេះផ្លូវខាងលើឧទាហរណ៍ខាងលើយើងរាប់ខាងលើផ្លូវជាតិលេខ 6A ហើយយើងចេញទៅកន្លែងណាខុសពីហ្នឹងយើងទៅត្រឡប់មកវិញមករកផ្លូវជាតិលេខ 6A មិនយើងចេញពីហ្នឹងវាងចេញពីហ្នឹងវាងចេញទៅស្ដាំដៃអញ្ចឹងទៅចេញពីចំណុចណាមួយដូចនេះអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាឃើញនេះដែលលោកគ្រូបង្ហាញនេះអូខេបើអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាចេញពីកន្លែង L នេះទៅឆ្វេងដៃទៅចុះមកក្រោមហើយដើម្បីត្រឡប់មកផ្លូវជាតិលេខ 6A វិញអូខេមកកន្លែងនេះដូចគ្នាចឹងដែរផ្លូវជាតិលេខ 6A ហ្នឹងបើយើងចេញទៅស្ដាំដៃហើយយើងអត់ឡើងទៅលើយើងទៅចុះទៅក្រោមវិញទៅជួបផ្លូវទៅផ្លូវជាតិលេខ 1ទៅបវិតហើយទៅអ្នកលឿងហើយយើងចុះមកក្រោមនេះ អត់ទេយើងត្រូវការផ្លូវជាតិលេខ 6A នៅខាងលើនេះ so I hope everybody understand this. I can see, you can see in the graph here is national road number 6. Suppose that the upper line, solid line here above, it's represent the national road 6A. So when we do a detour, then we have to go to the right and then up, not to the right and down here. Okay. នៅពេលដែលយើងវៀងហើយយើងត្រូវត្រឡប់មកផ្លូវជាតិលេខ 6A វិញយើងត្រូវឡើងទៅលើមិនមែនវៀងទៅចុះមកក្រោមទៅរកផ្លូវអ្នកលឿងហ្នឹងអូខេ if we go down maybe we have to go to national road number 1 to អ្នកលឿង to បវេត to ស្វាយរៀង everybody are you all understand this? You only look at the picture and then you understand the coefficient A and then the intercept B. You just look at the picture and then you know it. And then I told you you have to solve them algebraically here. គ្រាន់តែចង់ឲ្យអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាដោះស្រាយទេបង្ហាញទេថាចេះធ្វើចេះ manipulate ទេចេះលើកដាក់ចេះឆ្វេងទៅស្ដាំចេះបូកចេះដកហ្នឹងណា it's simple. It's a K12 arithmetic. យើងធ្វើលេខបូកដកតើតែយើងត្រូវប្រុងប្រយ័ត្នតើតែបើគ្រាន់តែយើងមើលរូបហ្នឹងយើងដឹងបាត់ហើយលំហាត់ហ្នឹងយើងសរសេរដាក់បានហ្នឹង but I need the detail of your calculation. You have to write. អ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាគាត់មើលឲ្យថាបានសរសេរដាក់បានហ្នឹងប៉ុន្តែអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាលោកគ្រូចង់បានឲ្យអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាសរសេរលេខគេហៅថាអាចលេខហ្នឹងណាធ្វើលេខហ្នឹងចេញធ្វើម៉េចបានទៅឃើញរូបឃើញដូចរូបហ្នឹងណាអូខេ so is everyone clear now what I want from you? Okay, so the exam paper all 11 version are similar to the one we have here. The difference is that the line maybe not the same slope, and the intercept maybe not the same like that. ABC not the same. The value of the ABC not the same. All the point ABC there inside there, but their coordinate are different. See, and also expression here. Some rule កន្សោមពេជ្រគណិតនេះលោកគ្រូដូរលេខដូរអក្សរអញ្ចឹងទៅអូខេ and សេចក្តីនៅនេះគឺចឹងដែរលោកគ្រូដូរអញ្ចឹងទៅហើយនៅក្រោមនេះដូចគ្នាដូរប៉ុន្តែលំហាត់អញ្ចឹងដូចអញ្ចឹងទាំងអស់ដូរតែលេខដូរអក្សរ so I hope now everything is clear for everyone. Any question? Any more question then? And please submit your paper before the end of the exam duration. Okay. ធ្វើហើយថតរូបហើយ upload ទៅ Telegram របស់យើងទៅលោកគ្រូទៅយកអូខេលោកគ្រូយកមកដាក់ចូលក្នុងកុំព្យូទ័រលោកគ្រូកែតាមតែអ្នកគាត់ត្រូវការអ្នកទាំងគ្នាអាចសរសេរនៅលើกระดาษរបស់លោកគ្រូរូបរបស់គ្រូក៏បានយកกระดาษសភៅយើងមកសរសេរក៏បានយកกระดาษស A4 អីធ្វើម៉េចឲ្យតែបានចម្លើយមកឲ្យលោកគ្រូអូខេ Is everyone clear now? So seems that there is no response. There is no response from my student. Chantu, do you have any more question? Exa- Exercise number 4. Exercise number 4. Oh my god, exercise number 4. Exercise number 4 is about number line. You understand number line? បន្ទាត់នៃចំនួនបន្ទាត់នៃចំនួនហ្នឹងគឺ0យើងសរសេរយើងដាក់0នៅចំកណ្ដាលទៅហើយទៅឆ្វេងដៃ negative ទៅស្ដាំដៃ positive ណាយើងដាក់លេខលើហ្នឹងទៅ you label you mark all the number on the line 0 then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 plus positive to the right or 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 you mark -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7 to the left. See? No. You just take the picture, my all the exam paper, upload in Telegram, and then you solve it on your paper, on your notebook paper, on any A4 paper, on any paper, and you don't need to draw. You don't need to draw. You just do the calculation because I already gave you. I Here you have already the graph. The graph on the graph is mean when you have the paper, you I don't know, maybe you print it or something. I don't know, but you have, if you cannot print, you just have to mark in your mind. You have to say that this one grid to the right plus one, two grid to the right plus two, three grid to the right plus three, four grid, and on the right plus and the number, and to the left -1 grid, one step to the left, -1 two step to the left, -2 three step to the left, -3. You have to understand all the grid will must be marked, must be labeled. The crew at, yeah, if I if we have actual presentation exam in the classroom together, I will distribute all this, and then you can write the you can mark the grid, the line here. But if I send you, then if you have nothing to print, maybe you just to remember that 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 to the right, or plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 up, and then -1, -2, -3, -4 to the left, or -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 down. យើងត្រូវតែដឹងអាហ្នឹងថាពី O ហ្នឹង យើងទៅបងលេខកាឡាលោកគ្រូដាក់ឲ្យហើយអញ្ចឹងហើយបានគ្រូចេះថាឲ្យយើងរាប់កាឡាអូខេរាប់កាឡាហើយលេខដែលលោកគ្រូដាក់ឲ្យនេះ coordinate of each point the coordinate of each point ដល់អ្នកគ្នាមើលទៅ c for this one c x equal to x coordinate x របស់ c នេះ x របស់ c នេះវា1កាឡាទៅស្ដាំដៃនេះ2កាឡាទៅស្ដាំដៃនេះអូខេ and then ចុះក្រោមបញ្ចុះក្រោម1កាឡាចុះក្រោម2កាឡាចុះក្រោម one step down 2 step down that's why we have y equal negative 2 y equal negative 2 okay I think I enlarge it again okay see for this point សម្រាប់ចំណុច c នេះឃើញទេ x equal 2 y equal negative 2ណា for point A also you count from O here horizontally to the left 1 step 2 step 3 step 4 step 5 step 6 step and then you go up okay and then you go up how many step 1 step up 2 step up 3 step up 4 step up 5 step up 6 step up so 6 to the left and 6 upward it means y positive x negative ឃើញទេ so អ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាអត់បាច់ចាំគូរូបទេប៉ុន្តែអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាមើលហើយចាំហើយយល់ដឹងថាកាឡាហ្នឹងគឺមានន័យថាម៉េច1កាឡា2កាឡា3កាឡាហ្នឹងមើលទៅរាប់ទៅអូខេ so you don't need to draw anything what is this I cannot see this one from one than it what do you mean here one than it one than it you want to know about equation of the line the solid black line for example on this paper exam paper it means we have to write again okay I will insert okay this one y equal a x plus b សមីការបន្ទាត់ this is a equation of the line the equation the format ទម្រង់អូខេសមីការបន្ទាត់ហ្នឹងគឺត្រូវតែ y គឺអា coordinate ប្រឈរហ្នឹង y ហ្នឹងស្មើនឹងមេគុណប្រាប់ទិស a ហ្នឹងគុណនឹង coordinate ផ្ដេក x ហ្នឹង plus នឹង b intercept កន្លែងដែលបន្ទាត់កាត់ជាមួយនឹងអក្សរ y អូខេសិតតែសរសេរអញ្ចឹងទម្រង់វាអញ្ចឹង and then you use this is because this equal f1 x x okay if you look into the paper the exam sheet with solution they are all there I think you didn't look at that paper okay so it's like this the សមីការហ្នឹងយើងត្រូវសរសេរចឹងហ្មងបន្ទាត់អូខេ then later you write from they are here what I show you here it's all on the exam sheet with solution and all everywhere. I show you like this. So from point A, from point, no, this one we have B and C. From point B, from point B, what mean B? B is 8, 4. Coordinate 8 and 4. It means x equal 8 and y equal 4. From point B, we write, can I? 4 is y. So equal ax, a, smaller. Okay. Like this. Okay. From point B, we have a time x. Our x, what is our x? For B, x equal 8. Okay. And then plus B. This is one or 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 4 equal 8 a plus b. This is one equation. Okay. Equation number 1. You can see equation number 1. Nhưng bạn sẽ mấy cả mùi. Then same, you write the same thing. See, I will copy all this from point B. No, from point C. C below. From point C. From point C, we have C, x equal 2, y equal negative 2. See, negative 2, negative 2. Okay. So, y equal negative 2, a time, what is x? X is 2 for A, or for C. And then B, the same. We don't have anything. So, they are all the same. See? Okay. You just replace here, negative 2, and here it's 2. See? Thì ở cái kế nhé. Lực ru sẽ đá này. Chỉ nuốt sẽ lấy châu ta. We only substitute the difference, the coordinate, the difference in coordinate. For C we have 2, negative 2. For B we have 8 and 4. That's why we have here different number here, equation 2. And then from all of this, insert shape. From all of this, we have to solve our okay. Bring the front. Bring the front. Okay. From these two equations, we start solve our problem. So from the first equation, we get b equal no, we rewrite again. 4 equal 4 negative 8a equal b ពីខាងលើហ្នឹងយើងបោះ HA នេះទៅខាងឆ្វេងដៃទៅរំលងសញ្ញាស្មើទៅ plus 8a become negative 8a អញ្ចឹងយើងសល់ b ដែលកណ្ដាលដៃ from so we say from equation 1 from equation 1 equation 1 from equation 1 like this we get this and then we substitute យើងជំនួស we substitute យើងជំនួសយើង replace substitute this into equation 2 what we get យើងដាក់ this ទាំងអស់នេះ block នេះ b equal នេះដាក់មកក្នុង equation 2 វិញ and so we rewrite equation 2 rewrite equation 2 យើង rewrite យ៉ាងម៉េច negative សរសេរដូចចឹង so the most important thing is you have to observe the place the order and then you do it យើងត្រូវតែសំខាន់បំផុតនោះគឺត្រូវទុកកន្លែងរក្សាកន្លែងទីតាំងគេហើយនៅពេលដែលយើងត្រូវធ្វើអាលើកបោះទៅឆ្វេងទៅស្ដាំហ្នឹងអាហ្នឹងសូមយើងធ្វើហើយយើងធ្វើឲ្យត្រូវតាមច្បាប់ទម្លាប់អូខេគឺលើកបោះទៅគឺបូកទៅដកទៅបូកគុណទៅចែកទៅគុណអូខេ so now we rewrite the same like equation number 2 is negative 2a plus b rewrite again it's mean now negative 2 equal 2a plus the whole thing from above it's mean 4 minus 8a so 4 minus 8a okay like this alright b now we replace by the expression above here 4 minus 8a អញ្ចឹងដែលលោកគ្រូថាកុំឲ្យបាត់របស់គេនោះណានៅពេលដែលយើងតាម b នេះមកពីខាងលើ b equal 4 minus 8a តែពេលយើងយកមកដាក់ខាងក្រោមនេះយើងត្រូវ b ហ្នឹងត្រូវតែស្មើនឹងមិនមែន b នឹងជ្រុះបាត់ 8a បាត់ឬក៏បាត់ 4 អីអត់មានជ្រុះទៅណាទេត្រូវយកមកទាំងអស់ទាំងដុំហ្នឹងអូខេ so everyone understand this you have to take care about your asset យើងត្រូវតែថែរក្សាទ្រព្យសម្បត្តិរបស់យើង b ស្មើនឹងអីយើងមកដាក់ក្រុមនាងវិញមក b ហ្នឹងគឺអាហ្នឹងអូខេ understand so then and នាំឲ្យ like this okay rewrite it again សរសេរនៅខាងក្រោម okay negative 2 equal 2a plus 4 then បន្តមកទៀតស្អី and then negative 8a okay when we eliminate the bracket នៅពេលដែលយើងលុបចោលវងកញ្ចក់ហ្នឹងទៅគឺមុខនេះបូក4ហើយខាងក្នុងនេះនៅដក 8a ដែរអូខេ so again នាំឲ្យយើង rewrite again negative 2 equal យើងដាក់ចិត្តគ្នាមក 2a minus 8a plus 4 អូខេនេះដែលលោកគ្រូថាលោកគ្រូចង់មើលអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាធ្វើលេខនេះហើយដល់ចង់មើលឲ្យអ្នកទាំងអស់ធ្វើលេខហ្នឹងហើយជួយឲ្យអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាហ្នឹងប្រុងប្រយ័ត្នកុំឲ្យជ្រុះបាត់អីហើយធ្វើឲ្យត្រឹមត្រូវដល់ពេលយើងហើយយើងគូហើយនឹងគូបូកចូលគ្នាក្បីវិញក្បីបូកចូលគ្នាណាកុំឲ្យតែគូបូកចូលក្បីចេញទៅជាសត្វចម្លែកអីមួយណាអូខេ so now we get here នឹងយើងអាចសរសេរធំនាំឲ្យទៀតដើម្បីកុំឲ្យយើងសរសេរស្មើ so negative 2a negative 2 equal 2a minus 8a it mean minus 6a or negative 6a. It means negative 6a. Maybe I think copy this one. Okay, negative 6a. Đã này thông thông. Okay, negative 2 equal negative 2 equal negative 6a, negative 6a, and then plus 4 again. កុំឲ្យជ្រុះបាត់ 4 នឹងបាត់យើងធ្វើលេខណាយើងនៅសល់ 4 មួយនេះយើងធ្វើលេខ AA យើងធ្វើលេខជាមួយគ្នាហើយគូជាមួយគ្នាហើយនៅសល់មួយនេះគឺស្អីគេអង្គលឬរនាស់ហ្នឹងឲ្យនៅនឹងកុំឲ្យបាត់ជ្រុះបាត់បូកគូហើយបាត់អង្គលរនាស់នោះអូខេគូទាំងអស់6ក្បាលឃើញអូនទេ for example យើងធ្វើគូបូកចូលគ្នាមកក្រោលនឹងបានហើយស្រាប់អង្គលរនាស់យើង4នេះបាត់តាណាទៅជ្រុះបាត់អត់ទេអត់មានត្រូវជ្រុះបាត់អីទេ do not drop anything, nothing must be drop down, drop out, miss កុំឲ្យបាត់ okay, so now I hope you understand. We continue with this. Okay, we continue with this. It means then what យើងត្រូវលេខ we need to make all the number on the one side and the variable any letter on the other side. So negative 2 here again. So negative here, and then we must. This is 4 here. 4 here disappear because it jump over 4 jump over to the left and then become negative 4. So we have now negative 6 equal (6a). See? Well, see? អញ្ចឹងយើងឃើញដក 6 ស្មើនឹងដក 6a. Negative 6 equal negative 6a. Okay. Again. នៅកន្លែងនេះ here I want you to do my strategy, to follow my strategy. Negative you have to throw negative 6 to the right and then negative 6a to the left. នៅកន្លែងនេះសូមអ្នកទាំងអស់ធ្វើតាមវិធីសាស្ត្ររបស់ខ្ញុំគឺបោះnegative 6នេះទៅខាងស្ដាំវិញហើយnegative 6a នេះបោះវាទៅខាងឆ្វេងវិញអញ្ចឹងទៅវាដូរសញ្ញាទាំងអស់ហើយអត់មានស្អីទេអត់ជាពិសេសនេះបើសិនជាកន្លែងនេះជាសញ្ញាធំជាងឬជាសញ្ញាតូចជាងនៅពេលដែលអ្នកទាំងគ្នាបោះតាមខ្ញុំអញ្ចឹងហ្នឹងណាគឺសញ្ញាហ្នឹងវានៅតែបែរមុខនៅកន្លែងដដែលបែរមុខស្រួចទៅស្ដាំគឺទៅស្រួចទៅស្ដាំបែរមុខស្រួចទៅឆ្វេងស្រួចទៅឆ្វេងអត់មានដូរអីទេយើងលោតតែទាំងអស់គ្នានេះយើងលោតទាំងអស់គ្នា every asset here every term on the left and on the right must jump equally. លេខទាំងអស់តួទាំងអស់នៅឆ្វេងនិងស្ដាំទាំងអស់ហ្នឹងទៅលូតទាំងអស់គ្នាស្មើគ្នាលោកគ្រូហៅថាសមលូត equally jump លូតទាំងអស់គ្នាទៅដល់ពេលលូតទាំងអស់គ្នាទៅ we get 6a equal 6 or a equal I need to have expression here. Okay. or 6 over 6. Né? Né? Depende, again, 6a, 6 multiplied by 6 multiplied by a, or 6 multiplied by a, 6 times a, 6 times a ni, 6 times a ni. Jump over to the right, it get down. อันนี้វាគុណនៅខាងមុខនេះដូច្នេះវាលូតផ្លោះសញ្ញាស្មើនេះចុះមកក្រោមទៅជាចេះ so we get equal 1. So that's easy. Okay. So now យើងដឹងហើយថាមេគុណប្រាប់ទិសវានឹង1គឺ1មែនឃើញទេយើងឃើញទេ a equal 1. So everybody see that it's correctly a equal 1. And b equal what? And b អា block យើងនេះមិញនេះ b នេះគឺ 4 minus 8a យើងដាក់សំណួរ substitute b equal or b equal 4 minus 8 times a. What is a? A is 1. So okay, too small this one. Okay, so again 4 minus 8 or then b equal -4. Okay. Okay. You see in the picture here, b is here, b no. b equal -4 here. It's here. Here b នេះនៅក្រោមនេះក្រោមនេះ intercept នេះ intercept. Okay, insert shape. See? Đangឃើញទេ b equal -4 ដែលយើងរាប់ចុះក្រោម -1 from o, -1, -2, -3, -4. See? So I hope now it's more clearer. Okay, it's 1 than it. Why? Poles appear, so we just solve the expression of the equation without finding the result a or b, right? No, you have to solve like I do now. Are you following my presentation now? Here, you write like this and you do like this. See? So I said that you just look and then you know. At the first glance, you know that A equal 1, B equal -4, but I need you to write all these. See? អានេះខ្មែរយើងថាយើងមើលភ្នែកឃើញហើយយើងមើលភ្នែកឃើញហើយប៉ុន្តែលោកគ្រូចង់ឲ្យអ្នកទាំងគ្នាបង្ហាញគេហៅថាអីគេអាចលេខ the detail of your calculation the detail of your calculation អាចលេខហ្នឹងណាយើងធ្វើយ៉ាងមិនខ្លះហ្នឹងណា see so you understand everyone understand now you can see at first sight at first glance just take a look and then you know right away that yeah finally we get okay so we have to write the final then the final what we get y equal x minus 4 the equation ណា equation បន្ទាត់ហ្នឹងហើយ so we finally the solution finally the equation is this one so ហ្នឹង okay you just look at the picture and you know that y equal 1x is 1 here but you don't write 1 here see you don't write 1 here you don't write 1x here I told you don't write like this okay so it's 1 and then -4 it's b equal -4 so understand now who else Van Danet and Paul Sophia so please follow my presentation okay okay so any question else so anyone has any question else I think you have to look into the maybe I have to go and find that the term exam copy I think I have to put it here new slide oh maybe proceed can it be no cannot okay so this one we have to open it somewhere open with Firefox okay so now what we should do is 75 okay then edit so select notation I don't know how I can do this okay maybe like this print screen 85 okay print screen then Go to this one. Okay. So, okay. Cannot see. 85. Here. I think this one is the sample exam sheet with solution នេះគឺជាกระดาษប្រឡងដែលមានដោះស្រាយមានចម្លើយហើយនៅលើហ្នឹង see the same I write y equal f1x equal ax plus b and then from point A we have like this from point C we have like this and then we solve them so that's all and then the midpoint ចំណុចកណ្ដាល x a b x between a b គឺបូកចូលគ្នាចែក2នេះ y វាបូកចូលគ្នាចែក2 okay so you see so please look at the solution here also we translate the expression and then we do the calculation okay hi please follow use all the relationship there ហើយសូមប្រើទំនាក់ទំនងដែលមានទាំងអស់statement translation interpretation របស់យើងដែលយើង express ជា algebraically នេះអូខេនេះអូខេ so តូចធំសញ្ញាតូចធំយ៉ាងម៉េចអូខេ no no here and then yes okay so any more anyone has any more question do anyone has any more question how the exam will go the exam is at your home in your house I will upload the paper the exam sheet to you in telegram in on my telegram account everybody must come into the teacher Samrech Phauk account telegram account and then see the list of I can show you before what I did this midterm examination okay like this one. Okay. Okay. That's it. Oh no. That's it. Oh my god. No. Okay. Mm, B size 40. No. Oh my god, I cannot copy to this. A picture. Okay. Okay, like this one. Copy. I think it's two. Escape. And oh my god, how to do it? I cannot. Control A. Oh yeah, this one. Okay, okay, now good. Yeah, good to go. The crewនឹង upload. I will upload the list of the student here and like this here the here insert shape format no field color. Okay ដូចកូនសិស្សលោកគ្រូមាន40នាក់អញ្ចឹងកូនសិស្សទី1ទី2ទី3ទី4ធ្វើ version 1 ហើយអញ្ចឹងនេះកូនសិស្សទី1ទី2ទី3ហ្នឹងទៅរកឈ្មោះ សវណ្ណរាជកូនសិស្សឆច័ន្ទសវណ្ណរាជអីហ្នឹងកូនសិស្សគឹមហុងលោកគ្រូដាក់តែឈ្មោះចុងអត់ដាក់ family គឹមហុងលេខ2លេខ3ជឿននរងលេខ4តារាវតីលេខ4តារាវតីហ្នឹងលេខ1លេខ2លេខ3 4នាក់ហ្នឹងធ្វើ version 1 version 4នេះ version 4គឺversion 4គឺកូនសិស្សទី13គឺទី13ទីនេះអូខេ color where is the color where is the color color okay shape view នេះកូនសិស្សនេះកូនសិស្សទីកូនសិស្ស4នាក់ដែលធ្វើ version កូនសិស្ស4នាក់ធ្វើ version 4ហ្នឹងគឺមានតាំងហ៊ុយងី like this តាំងហ៊ុយងីចាន់នីលេខនេះ okay this is version 4 okay នៅពេលគ្រូ upload when I upload these one version 1 for 4 students version 4 for 4 students and version 6 7 until we have 11 version so here student number 41 number 42 student all these students do the version no color student នៅខាងក្រោមនេះលេខ41 42 43 44នេះធ្វើ version 11ហ្នឹងគឺចឹងនៅពេលដែលលោកគ្រូ upload Telegram ទៅគឺលោកគ្រូដាក់តែឈ្មោះចុងទេអត់ដាក់ family ទេដាក់តែ your last name not first name only the last name not the family name only the first name yeah the first name ឈ្មោះយើងតើខ្លួនគឺ first name ឈ្មោះតកូលគឺ last name យើងដាក់តែ first name ទេអត់ដាក់ last name ទេ okay so student សវណ្ណរាជគឹមហុងនរងតារាវតី will do the version 1 student តាំងហ៊ុយងីចាន់នីណៃគឹមសុកច័ន្ទរតនៈ will do the exam version 4 here okay ចឹង so okay now you understand okay May do you see how I will assign the exam sheet to all students okay so now you see for here 41 students and I have 11 version but you only have 30% 30 students so maybe on version 1 3 students version 2 3 students version 4 3 students like that okay you have to look into your name and the version okay on Telegram on the date of the exam I will upload the list of assignment version and student name and version of the exam so you understand now I think I have to print screen Then and version of exam assignment is so this. Okay, so this sample of exam sheet assignment. This. Okay. The assignment will be 10 minutes before the start of the actual exam. Not now. Okay. So please ask your question now before we end the session. I think no more person ask the question now.